My name's Dafydd Lewis. I'm the skipper of the dolphin spotting boat trips, and we're in the beautiful jewel of Ceredigion called Newquay in West Wales. We've got beautiful bottlenose dolphins that we have here in Cardigan Bay. It's a good breeding ground, they say, for the dolphins, a good nursery ground for them as well. It's quite a shallow bay, so we get many calves, probably an average of between 5 and 10 calves born every year. So we're quite lucky that the population is increasing. We also have razorbills and guillemots that come to breed and migrate here. We travel up and down the coastline every day, so I see the coastal path every day. It's a beautiful walk. I've done it many times over the years since I was a child. There's quite a lot of wildlife, the flora and fauna on the path itself. You've got all this fresh air as well. What else can you ask for?